Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Android before it ever turns off. Open Settings and sign into your Google account. Enable Find My Device and Location with high accuracy. Turn on Send Last Location and Nearby Device Scanning to allow offline locating. Note your IMEI number and SIM details in a safe place. Set up a secure lock screen and back up your photos and contacts. Keep account recovery options current for rapid access if you lose the phone. If the phone is already turned off, start with Find My Device on a browser. Look for the device's last known online time and mapped location. Next, open Google Maps timeline if location history was enabled. Review recent coordinates and timestamps to narrow where it powered down. Contact your carrier and provide the IMEI to report the device and request tracking options. File a police report using the IMEI if theft is suspected, and keep all timestamps ready. Protect your data immediately by locking or erasing the device from Find My Device. Change your Google password and every important account password next. Enable two-factor authentication on critical accounts to stop unauthorized access. Contact your carrier to suspend the SIM and ask about blacklisting the IMEI. Check local pawn shops and online marketplaces for your device listing. For future prevention, set a SIM PIN and consider a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.